Men, do not get this confused. Nowhere in the Bible does it say that women, even your wife, cannot be in her own ministry, in her own capacity, if not under the covering or leadership of a man. Make the distinction between marriage and ministry. In a marriage, the wife submits to her husband because of the marriage order. But this command is only given for marriage, not for ministry. And in the marriage order, your wife is also not less than you or less capable than you because she submits to you. She is equal to you. Both men and women were created equally in the image of God. Men were not created better. And in the kingdom of God, your wife or any woman, single or married, who has been given her own ministry by the Lord, does not need the covering of a man to be able to stand in ministry. Jesus is her covering. If this was true that a woman cannot stand in ministry if not under the covering or leadership of a man or her husband, then no single or widowed woman can ever work for the Lord and be in ministry. Can you see how absurd this is?